Today we're looking at a 03 Chevy 3/4 ton pickup. As you can see from the picture, this particular vehicle has a service body on it instead of a regular pickup truck bed. The customer was complaining that he thought the rear of the vehicle was starting to sag a little bit more than what it had in the past, maybe due to the excessive weight from all the tools and stuff in the service box, plus different times he needs to put things in the back to complete the tasks that he has to for his daily routine. We talked over a few different options, thought maybe we should replace the rear springs. We were able to find a source that actually provides a leaf spring pack with an additional leaf in it, not only to help get the vehicle back up to the correct ride height, but also support any additional weight requirements that the customer might have while using it. As you can see here, you can see the differences between the spring packs as they're on the floor. And the other thing we like to do is we always like to measure the ride height in the back to see what kind of changes we've got. This one actually has a pretty remarkable change to it. It has almost a 4-inch gain with the new leaf spring pack. The customer came, picked the vehicle up. He was very satisfied that the vehicle was back up to the correct ride height. And he happened to be out using it that weekend and noticed that it didn't sag anywhere near as much when doing what he normally does with his day-to-day routine. So if you're looking for a rear suspension upgrade, or you think maybe yours is sagging a little bit, we do specialize in those types of repairs, and we'd be happy to go through the different options that you could take advantage of depending on your situation. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share that information so other people like you can get the word.